never leaves her face as she gives that extra touch of customer service that the theater has been working hard to create. She's just full of life and enthusiasm, and you'll see when you see this wonderful smile like you do here. Ladies and gentlemen, we present the 2013 H. Gordon Randall Outstanding Volunteer Service Award to Beverly Howard.
On behalf of the McLean Community Center and family here, we are indebted to your service. We are grateful for it, and congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank Jeff for nominating me, and this is a great place to hang out. As you see, I've hung out here quite a bit this year. As I told the girls, it gives me something to do. It's a wonderful facility, wonderful staff to work with, and keeps me off the streets and out of the stores. Thank you again. Merci beaucoup.
De jolis contes